Hallo miteinander, da ist Exus 19 und ich begrüße euch zu Let's Play Walking Dead. Ja, das letzte Mal ist gerade Molly mit der Batterie abgehauen, die wir brauchen fürs Boot. Er ist mit der Bree zurückgekommen mit Benzin. Und wir versuchen jetzt noch da reinzukommen und wir versuchen noch Medikamente zu bekommen und hoffen dann darauf, dass Molly zurückkommt aus der Batterie. Ja. System. Was ist das? Initialen von der Person, die die Suche gemacht hat. Tag seit dem Ausbruch. Nummern von den Walkers. Und Nummern von den Zivilisten, die nach Crawford gekommen sind. Und ineligible. Ich denke, das sind die Nummern von den Leuten, die es ausgelöscht haben. Weil sie zu alt oder zu jung sind. So, dort kann ich glaube ich nicht helfen. Also ich frage nochmal, ob ich nochmal etwas helfen kann. Und sonst gehen wir dann nochmal zu den Medikamententüren.
How are you guys doing with that door?
Slower than I'd like.
Don't worry, we'll get it open.
Ja, schau dort, den Spalt unten musst du noch anschauen. Ja, also sie schauen sie sehr genau an, die Türen. Sie möchten das gut. Also. Medikament. Oder sollen wir mit der Klemmi reden? Nein, jetzt geht nicht. Ich hoffe einfach... Was ist dort am Boden? Ich hoffe einfach, die kommen nicht rein. Ich habe langsam recht Blut verschmiert. Was ist das? Aha. Schüsse. Shell Casings. Also Hülse. Ah, falsch gelaufen, sorry. Da, Kombination würde ich halt schon noch gerne herausfinden. Wo sind ihr zwei? Oh wow. Ist das eine gute Idee, Lee? Gang runter! Bam! Sorry, ich muss schon husten. Okay. Hey, easy bleiben.
What the hell happened?
They wandered into the hallway after we got inside. I think they must have heard us rooting around in here.
Ja,
The
aber
whole
wo
place
sind
is
sie gekommen?
infested. They're everywhere.
Calm down. I took care of them. What about the meds? Did we find what
Haben
we
wir
need?
etwas gefunden?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's our other problem. Take a look.
Das Zahlenschloss.
Looks like they were keeping all the prescription meds in that safe, locked up tight.
Okay. Wo könnten wir
Maybe
schauen?
we should try looking somewhere else for medicine.
Aha, nein, das habe ich
In
nicht
Crawford?
gemeint.
This place is too overrun. No, that safe is our best chance.
Nein, ich habe gemeint wegen der
Yeah, it'd be a hell of a
Kombination.
lot quicker if we just knew the 4-digit combination.
Well, I doubt they just wrote it down and left it here for us to find. We should just try busting it open. We don't have any other choice.
Okay, you get started. I'll take a look around, see if I can find anything useful.
Okay. Also die Kombination muss irgendwo da sein. Ich glaube zwar nicht, dass sie gerade da steht, aber...
Just a bunch of papers. No safe combination, though.
Ja, Logo. Aber gleich. Ich kann sie ja mal probieren. Was ist das?
Some kind of medical file.
Medical File. Okay.
Anna Correa. Guess she must have been a patient here. And what's this?
Video. Okay, werden wir sicher noch anschauen.
Phones probably haven't worked in months.
Ja, das ist klar, dass das
How's it coming?
Slow.
too slow.
I'm worried that by the time we manage to get this thing open, it may be too late.
Wegen der
Mommy
Molly?
helped me get the battery we needed.
That's great. One down. Where is she?
Keine
Took off.
Ahnung.
Had some kind of errand she needed to run.
Took off? With the battery?
Yeah. Don't worry, she'll be back.
I hope so. That girl doesn't really strike me as a team player.
Voll.
More the mercenary kind.
Voll der Söldner. Wegen
How much time do you
Omid.
think Omid has, Doc?
You want my medical opinion? The sooner we get him some strong antibiotics to start fighting that infection, the better. Let's just leave it at that, huh?
Also je früher, später, je früher er die Antibiotika überkommt,
Hey, Doc,
desto
I just
besser.
wanted to thank you for coming with us and for all your help. I really appreciate it.
Don't mention it. It's times like these we've got to help each other the most, right? And we're no better than those Crawford sons of bitches.
Ah, das
I
stimmt.
heard that. I'll go see if I can find something that'll help us get that safe open.
Good
Yep.
idea.
Also, könnte sein, dass es da ist. Ich glaube, es ist eher nicht da, sondern im Büro. Hin. Ah. Hat es auch noch Akku, das Teil, nach mehreren
Vernon,
Monaten?
Krista, come look at this.
This is day 82 since the outbreak. 1547. Dr. Logan in consultation with patient Anna Correa.
Anna Korea.
Why are you recording this?
Regulations. Oberson has ordered me to keep records of all medical examinations and consultations. I need you to brace yourself, Anna. The sonogram confirms that you're pregnant.
Sie ist schwanger.
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
As you know, the rules are very clear. The termination is mandatory.
Oh wow,
You don't have to tell
Abtreibung.
them. Tell them it was just nausea. But you gave me something for it and it went away. This is my problem, not yours.
If Oberson finds out that I concealed evidence of a pregnancy, I'm sorry, but these are the rules.
Also,
I'm gonna give you a sedative. It'll make the procedure easier on you.
also,
I don't want the procedure. I want my baby. I can't do this. I can't do this.
sie muss abtreiben oder müssen sie töten sogar, weil sie schwanger ist? Ich
Now, if
weiß
you
nicht.
like, you can take some time with this, but I need you to come back no later than tomorrow, or I'll have no choice but to inform Oberson myself. I'm sorry.
Oh wow. Mach den Schrank auf und die Kombination drücken. Wir brauchen das neues Tape noch.
Damn it, we almost had it.
What the hell kind of place was this?
Like Molly said, the worst kind.
Ja,
Lee, maybe there's
Oh,
another
wow.
tape. We gotta keep looking.
ja, wir
I
brauchen
think
das
I
andere Tape.
recognize that doctor. He was one of the walkers out in the alley by the auto shop.
Maybe you should search it. See what he's got on him.
Das ist der Doktor, der vom Dach gefallen ist. Alright, in dem Fall gehen wir dort nochmal raus zum Autoshop und können in die Tasche reinschauen von dem Siech. Für das müssen wir einfach auf die andere Seite kommen. Wo sind alle Körper? Ah, eben, ich wollte sagen, ich habe doch da sehr viel verschossen. Da vorne sind sie auch reinbrechen. Die Kombination will ich auch von da. Vielleicht ist es ja die gleich. Okay, ich hoffe, da sind die wieder ein bisschen verschwunden. Oder es sind einfach nicht mehr so viele da wie auch schon. Schau einfach, dass du da reinkommst, Lee. Okay. Müssen wir wieder da oben durch? Aber das geht gar nicht mehr. Ah! Oh! Oh! Endlich wieder mal ein Jumpscare, ich habe es vermisst. Gut. Molly. Nicht. Ah, da. Ja, Logo. Ui! Den habe ich schon fast ein bisschen vermisst, den Jumpscare. Ah, no. Ah, gut. It's Doctor. Stay here. Doctor. I need to look in your pocket. Yo. Is it that
This
one?
is definitely the guy.
Okay, es ist. Dann nehmen wir doch mal an, dass er die Kassette bei sich hat. Yes!
This might be just what we need.
82, die andere ist
This
81.
looks like some kind of code. But Vernon said the safe combination was only 4 numbers.
Okay, in dem Fall ist es die Spindnummer.
Shit, time to go.
Yep. Wie kommst du wieder zurück? Aha. Okay, wir machen einfach einen Cut und sind wieder da. Voll easy. Wieso nicht? Okay.
Logan.
Logan.
This must have been his locker.
Was hast du drin? Also schaut nicht überrascht. Aha.
Safe combination has gotta be on one of these.
Gut, sonst nichts. Ich habe jetzt irgendwie auch auf eine neue Waffe gehofft oder irgendetwas, das so grosse Augen macht halt, aber Tape ist auch gut.
I found 2 more tapes. One of them is dated October 10th.
That's the day after the first one we watched.
Put it in.
Bin ich gespannt.
Have you made a decision?
I thought you said I didn't have a choice.
Well, technically you do. You can terminate the pregnancy or leave Crawford.
Ah, okay.
Of course, that would be a
Abtreiben
death sentence
oder
for
Crawford
that poor
verlassen.
child.
Maybe that's best. I stayed up all last night thinking about this. Why are we even trying to survive? To keep on living, if this is what it takes. If this is what it's turned us into.
I don't make the rules, Anna.
Doctor, I'm begging you. Please help me.
Maybe one day when things are different, you can try again. But for now, today, we have to do this.
9. Nein. Was? So ist es passiert.
No,
So hat es angefangen.
no.
Wegen ihr. Und wie ist jetzt das Tape in seine Tasche? Ah, er hat es noch geschafft. Doch.
I don't think we know what happened to Crawford.
Ja,
More importantly, we got the combination.
ja. Hey. Come on, girl.
Krista,
wrong?
are you all right? What's wrong?
It's nothing. That was just hard to watch. Don't worry about me. I'm fine.
All right. Let's get those meds and get the hell out of here.
We're in business.
Yep.
Antibiotics, morphine. Take as
Nice.
much of this as we can carry. Okay, I think we're good. This is more than enough for your people and mine.
Gut,
Let's
sehr
go.
You know, I
gut.
found a 3rd tape in the locker outside. Maybe there's something else on it.
Ja, Mann, ich will
We
es
got
gerne
the
sehen.
meds for Omid. That's all I care about.
We'll head back to the classroom. Don't take too long, Lee.
Yep, ich will es sehen, sorry. 82, 83 und es glaube ich irgendwie so 76 oder so. Auch 82. What?
Listen, as fun as this was, I have to put a stop to this little arrangement. This is the last I can give you.
Why?
Oberson had someone down here yesterday taking inventory. He's really cracking down. I just can't risk it.
We had a deal.
Yes, we had a deal. We don't anymore.
Oh,
My
wow.
sister needs this medicine. Without it, she'll die, or she'll start showing symptoms and they'll take her away. I can't let that happen.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
sorry, Molly. I've done all I can, but I have to look out for myself here.
Wahrscheinlich ist sie irgendwie
That's the
Diabetikerin oder so.
Crawford way, isn't it?
Und sie prostituiert sich sozusagen für Medikamente für ihre Schwester.
Well, shit.
Aha. Shit. Molly, lebt deine Schwester noch? Wahrscheinlich ist sie jetzt gerade zurück zu der Schwester etwas bringen, kann man vorstellen. Und sie braucht einen Platz für ihre Schwester. Das... Shit. Wir haben jetzt schon Platz zu wenig, wenn sie jetzt noch antanzt mit dem. Wer lassen wir zurück? Wer lassen wir zurück?
Jesus Christ! Oh, shit out of me. Where the fuck have you been?
Sightseeing.
I'll take that battery now.
Oh, yeah.
No.
I'm just kidding.
Gut.
Here you go.
Danke. Oh Mann. Mach keinen Witz mehr über so etwas. Hast du gehört?
What's that?
Nothing.
Das Bild von ihrer Schwester. Ich weiss, dass du von
Quit with
Crawford
the act,
bist.
Molly. I know you're from Crawford.
What? Who told you that?
I saw you on a security tape. Why'd you lie to me?
I said there were stories about Crawford. I never said that's how I knew about it. I never lied to you, and even if I did, so what? I don't owe you anything.
You saved my
so
life
close.
twice, but you can't tell me the truth?
Are we really gonna do this now?
I guess that's up to you.
I used to live here with my sister. She was 14 years old. When the dead started walking and Crawford shut itself in, it seemed like a pretty good deal at first. We were safe. We had everything we needed to survive. Then the rules started coming down. No one who couldn't justify their place earned their keep. No one who required special care.
Diabetes, ja, ich hab's gedacht.
And by Crawford's rules, that made her a liability. I kept it a secret. Kept her safe for as long as I could. But in the end, I couldn't protect her. That's when I got out. Crawford, they always talked about how their system worked. How anything was better than becoming one of them. But I saw what they'd already become. I just wish I could have seen it before
Oh,
it was
wow.
too late. Before they came and took my sister away.
Das ist übel, ja.
This is all I have left of her. I didn't have time to take it before I got out of Crawford. I just wanted it, okay?
It's okay, Molly. I understand. She's pretty.
What the hell?
I think that's our
Oh.
cue to get the hell out of here.
Aber es tönt eigentlich nicht so nah und das sollte auch sie weglocken, oder? Ah. Und jetzt macht's Bumm.
Oh,
Jesus!
Shit! Ben,
Hey, was machst
I just got spooked by those
Wo
bells,
ist
and then I
Clementine?
heard someone coming.
did you leave Clementine alone?
No, Kenny's with her. We still can't open that armory
Okay.
door. He sent me out to look for something we can use to bust it open. I found this.
Where
Nein!
did you get that?
I just found it. It was stuck in the door handle at the end of the hallway back there.
Dumme Idiot. Molly in Rage! Molly in Rage! Ninja!
Lee! Shoot this fucker!
Yes, ich glaube sie drauf. Was?
Thanks.
Ah, ich kann doch drauf.
It wasn't me!
Holy kid, nice shot.
Juhu! Oh wow! Oh wow! Ich würde nie einem Kind eine Waffe in die Hand geben, in real life, aber ich würde mich,
That ought to
würde
hold
mich
'em.
tierisch freuen, wenn es wirklich so
But
würde
now how do
passieren.
we get out?
Through the armory.
Oh.
We can just get this damn door open.
Lavi.
Come on, damn you!
Oh wow, oh wow. Klappe, du
This is
bist
my
gut.
fault, all my fault.
What the hell's he babbling about?
Ben, we talked about this.
No, wait. I want to know what he meant. What do you mean this is all your fault?
Penny, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man.
Kid, this ain't the best time.
Ben, jetzt
Whatever
hör
you did,
auf. Jetzt ist
save it
nicht
for
Zeit
later.
für das.
Shut the fuck up!
Fuck you, Lee. I can't do this anymore. It's been me all along, putting all of us in danger.
Das
Tasha and
stirb.
Doug, it was all me. It was all me.
Yes, schaffen.
Wait a minute. What are you saying?
It was me who made the deal with the bandits at the motor inn, slipping them supplies. I thought maybe I could keep them off our backs. When it got discovered, that's when they attacked. And that's when Duck...
So, sorry Leute, ich muss leider den Part beenden. Wir werden am Kenny seine Reaktion erst das nächste Mal sehen. Ich wünsche euch alles Gute. Peace.